Alright. It's my new bike check. Sorry it's dark in here. My dad refuses to buy me lights. So but got some new parts. Some people have been asking what I got. So I'll show you. Alright, got new bars. They're Fit Sky High bars. 29 wide, I think. Not too sure. Diamond sticker, of course. Don't skate, but oh. Colt Vans grips. To see bar ends. Then I still got the S&M Redneck XLT stem in woodland camo. Alright, still got my Fit Shiv 2 forks. Holding up, they're good. I suggest them. Lifetime warranty. The Animal TWW tire and white wall, obviously. As you can see, it's pretty bald, but oh well, not gonna worry about it too much. Then still got the G Sport hub, laced to I got a new rim, laced to a Demolition Zero rim. I like it a lot. Alright, I got a new frame. It's the Heart frame. It's Chase the Heart's signature frame from when I used to ride for Fit. Colt headset. Got new cranks, premium 1948 cranks. They're good. I don't know if you can see the premium right there. A little scratched up, but oh well. Colt pedals, I like them. I'll suggest them. Still, of course, got my Bone Death seat and leopard. FBM seat post. Integrated seat clamp on this. Alright, in the back I have Fit FAF and white wall. Then I have a Alienation Black Sheep wheel. Oh, yeah. Well, I guess that's a new back wheel, too. Sprocket, it's a stock. I don't know what brand. It's ugly. Call it the CD disc. I have a shadow for my bike. It's a shadow screen, but these cranks have to get off with a press. So, gotta go to a bike shop soon. Then I rock the Shadow Lowens pegs on the right side, as you can see. Shadow bottom bracket, machinic half track chain. It's a half link. It holds up, hasn't snapped, popped, nothing. So, like that. I think that's it. Didn't get too many new parts, just a new front rim,